In a suburban neighborhood, a spontaneous sneeze contest broke out in the park. Contestants lined up, each with unique tactics. Some exaggerated their preparation, while others did comical warm-ups. As the first person sneezed, a burst of confetti erupted from nowhere, catching everyone off guard. Laughter filled the air as sneezes turned into competitive giggles, with a few rather unexpected sounds. Finally, a sudden loud sneeze sent a nearby flock of pigeons flying, adding chaos to the already funny scene, as competitors tried to regain their composure. The victor was crowned amidst countless giggles and a raucous round of applause, marking the day as unforgettable.